Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by accessing Samsung folder and clicking on Recorder app. Now select while using and allow in all pop-ups. And before starting recording, click on those three dots. Select settings and adjust them however you wish to, like for example recording quality. Then go back. Click on one of those options at the top, speech to text or standard. And to start your recording, hit this red button at the bottom. Then click on allow one last time. As you can see, recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that thanks to the same middle button. If you wish to, you can listen to your recording right away by pausing it, swiping to the right portion, and then using this left button to listen to it. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this little icon. And to end and save your recording, select this square button on the right. Then name it however you wish to. And tap on save. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. You can edit it and manage it thanks to all of those options. And also tap on this pen at the top right corner to, for example, trim it. Then hit save at the top right corner. Over here, tap on the best option for you. In my case, save as new recording. And now you can access it over here. If you wish to delete one of your recordings, just hold the chosen one. Select delete icon at the bottom. And lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!